start with Amibroker earlier because it makes backtesting so much easier,
Mm.
so much more reliable, so much less bugs, and start trading more markets. Yes,
More markets.
trading different markets. Yes, it's it's a game changer. If you trade Australia and the US, it's for your return risk profile. It makes a huge difference. Like yeah, so trading more markets instead of more strategies. Starting Amy Broker and and maybe it, it's okay to have a drawdown until 20%. Like because your potential to make, let's say, 25 or 30% annual return is so much higher than if you say, oh, I just want to have a drawdown of 15%.
Mm.
And then the compounding effect is so much more in your favor. So yeah, I guess these are three learnings I would do differently when I go back 5 years. So yeah.